Not super great, but pwede na because it's low calorie coffee. So today I'm gonna be cooking cabbage rice with liver and meat. Cook with me. Remove the first leaf. Taste test. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my god, I was gonna say that it tastes like Meiji chocolate, and that's why it tastes like Meiji chocolate. So cute. That's the end of our taste test. Bye. Let's try to pack. Oh my. We're not allowed to wear house slippers in a tatami floor, so my bad. You know what? No matter what country I'm in, I think I will always have a lot of clothes. I'm thinking of, leaving clothes that I don't want to wear anymore. But what are they going to do about it? With it? These bottoms, I bought this like when I was still in high school, and I never get to wear it outside. I don't know if this still fits me or if it's my style. Should I leave it here? This is from GTW Urban, by the way. I'm gonna try it first. I mean, it fits. It still fits me. Oh, wait. I wore this pala once when we had the, church vacation in Ilocos. I was able to wear this there. Okay. It's not sayang. Wait, let me check it in the mirror. I'm gonna get back. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping it anymore because it's not giving sparks anymore. So, yeah. Hala! May ganito pala dito. I'm gonna boil this for substitute, as a diet food. Bombay.
will be going to Cosmos because I will buy Sprite and ice cream. We forgot to buy it earlier when we went out, so I'm gonna use our Mercedes bike to go there. Bye. Very windy. It's a prank. Kala mo, iwanan kita. I hope walang nakakakita sa akin. This is embarrassing. Okay, bawal mag-cellphone habang nagbe-bike. So, bye. But the goods, the ice cream and the Sprite. But there's no Sprite in Cosmos. That's why I went to Direct Spa. So, that's a leg workout.
Tadayma!
Kyrie, oy, pwede na siya.
Push up okay. Malayan sa so push up.
Filipino. Very Filipino na ana.
Star Margarine, Pilipina.
Dish number 1, dish number 2, dish number 3, dish number 4, and dish number 5. Hugasin. So it's like almost 8:10-ish, and it's March 8th. And then yesterday, on the way home, my mother and I passed by this, or like went to this, well, we regularly went there whenever we go to Saga. We went to the Hakkin, like shop, or like 100 yen pastry shop, and we got this. I mean, it's one of the bread that we got there, and it has this like strawberry, coating here and a pistachio filling. So let's see. It looks delicious. So let's see if it lives up to its looks, I guess. So, and I'm kind of wishing that the filling is not just on the, seam part. Let's hope that it is up until the end. Taste test. The filling kinda tastes like the filling on Bavarian donuts on Mr. Donuts, if you have already tasted that. So that's the taste of the filling. For me, it doesn't taste like pistachio. Well, it's good. It doesn't taste bad. So I guess that's what matters. So far, there's still fillings, so we're not being fooled, you guys. Or maybe it's just in the Philippines wherein the filling is just, very little. I would say that it complements with the strawberry. So. Now I kinda wish this is fully coated with that strawberry. But anyways. There's still fillings, you guys. I'll probably end the video here.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam.
This is for the toilet, like the one we put here, but we do not let it just stay there. We hang it here, and then we just bring it down whenever we're taking a bath or something like that. This is the last room that I'm gonna be vacuuming. This is the room that I used to sleep in when I first arrived here. So yeah, let's vacuum.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main.
So this used to be my school bag when I was still going to Tenjin for Japanese language. And then this tatami chair I used to use when I'm doing online classes.
We're never coming down.
That's so efficient. I love that. If you're wondering what is this, this is a stock slash storage room. So you can see the heater, maleta, two electric fan that we do not use right now because it's winter. And then that's the stock, and then stock here. You already probably can see that. And these are some of my stuffs, that I'm gonna be bringing to the Philippines. And this is my carry-on suitcase. So